Crazy storm. Out making moves, hitting up driveways. You know what I'm saying? It's it's a tough job, but somebody's gotta do it. You know, people say we're crazy. You know, people say we got nothing better to do. You know what I'm saying? But what they don't know is that we don't have anything better to do. So this is what we do. And what do you think about that? That make any sense at all?
Yeah. It's all about helping people.
Yeah.
I've never done so much charity work. I don't know, no money.
Yeah, not even the hot chocolate. I mean, we got offered hot chocolate, but we didn't even take the hot chocolate.
It's been like 4 days in a row. 4 days in a row, charity work.
Yeah, feeling good.
Yeah.
All for the Lord.
Gotta be. It's coming.
Yeah.
So here we go. Just trying to get back.
Yeah.
Go home, take a hot bath.
Yeah. No homo. We definitely taking.
Mazdak's going to his house.
Definitely going to my house.
Because Mazdak walked over from Yorktown to the I section.
Yeah.
Which was hilarious.
Yeah, it was fun though. Good look on picking me up halfway through racetrack. I'm doing my snow shuffle.
Truck? I'm the only vehicle out here that's not a plow.
Yeah.
Or a cop.
Yeah, definitely plowing.
The only one rolling. So
praise the Lord, there's actually plow trucks out this time. The roads were horrible.
I mean, we're doing good. We haven't got stuck yet. So.
Yeah.
What's up, Tasker?
Yeah. BT, Benjamin Tasker, holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying?
Way back in the day.
Benjamin Tasker, what was it? The Tigers, right?
School.
We were the Tigers? Are you sure? I'm sure. What was it then?
Yeah, it's on the picture right now.
Yep, it was a tiger. Rawr. Yeah. So got the Matthew Henry.
Yeah.
Commentary sitting right there.
Google that.
Yeah,
Google that.
Google that joint.
Read some of that.
I stay referencing Matthew Henry up in that joint. You know what I'm saying? And that's just volume. That just acts of revelation. You know what I'm saying?
It's the 6th book.
It's a whole Bible of them. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
About to get my naked drink on.
Yep.
Green Machine does me right.
Yeah, that drink.
Chug
Definitely.
it 10 seconds, maybe 15. Feeling good, feeling strong, feeling healthy.
Yeah. Definitely.
That's how we roll.
Go ahead, chug that jump.
Cheers.
Cheers that jump. Cheers that jump. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do. And he's driving. That's dangerous, dog.
Sorry. You make me laugh.
Alright, yeah. Make sure you are focusing on the road. Nobody is counting.
I'm like, bam! We rolling. We good.
Yeah.
Bam! Yo, you can taste the grass in this joint.
Yeah, it's wheatgrass in that joint.
You can taste the wheatgrass.
Yeah. Wheatgrass. Someone told me drinking one shot of wheatgrass is like having a whole pot of vegetables, just by a little shot like that big. And it's probably like a whole bottle of that joint.
So good when it hits the lips.
Yeah, that joint is
So good
crazy.
when it hits the lips.
It's got like all types of stuff. They should pay us for this advertisement.
Read it out. Read what's
I mean,
on
you
there.
got apple juice, mango puree, pineapple juice, banana, kiwi, spirulina. I know a girl named Spirulina. She was kind of crazy. Chlorina, I remember her too. Broccoli, spinach, barley grass, wheatgrass, parsley, ginger root, blue-green algae. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even on the bottle no more. And odorless garlic. Now, odorless garlic is, I don't know if that's natural. Like, how do they take the odor
Look, I'm about
out?
to run a red light.
Whoa, it's on tape. It's on tape.
What
they
people
gonna do?
Whoop, whoop. What you gonna do? Oh, the cop got me.
For real?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Oh, he flashed his light.
True.
Oh, there's a popo behind.
Right behind. Yeah.
What's he gonna do? Pull me over right now? Really?
Yeah. Definitely put on
All right,
seatbelts
so this is what
right
you
now.
do. We're on video.
Yeah.
Put the seatbelt on.
Click the seatbelt.
Click it or ticket.
Click it.
And then what else we gotta
Right
do
here.
is, if he gets us,